Greetings Goenkans, hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to continue with the chapter Agriculture and Food Preservation. So the topic that we are going to discuss is steps in farming. The very first step in farming is to prepare the soil for sowing of seeds. It is done by the process known as plowing or tilling. Plowing is the process of loosening of soil. Plowing of fields is done by using an implement called plow. Plow is made up of wood or iron, and they have an iron tip for easy penetration into the soil. The plow are pulled by a tractor or pair of bullocks. There are other instruments that are used for plowing, like a hoe or cultivator. Hoe can be used when the land is very small, while as cultivator or plow is used for large tracts of land. Advantages of plowing. The loosened soil allows roots to breathe. During plowing, the soil becomes loose and the nutrients in the deep soil come to the top and they are mixed evenly in the soil. The second very important advantage of plowing is that it increases aeration of soil, which in turn increases the breathing of roots, and it also makes the soil loose so that the roots are able to easily penetrate between the soil. The second step after preparing the soil for sowing of seeds is actually sowing of the seeds. Now that our soil is ready and it is loosened up, now we have to sow the seeds. Sowing of seeds is defined as the process of placing the seed in the soil to germinate and to grow into a plant. Seeds can be sown either directly or indirectly. When they are directly sown, it is also known as broadcasting. In broadcasting, the seeds are directly put in the soil either by hand or mechanically. And in transplanting, which is an indirect method of sowing of seeds, is a technique where instead of sowing seeds, the seedlings or fully grown plants are removed from the soil and then transplanted into the permanent location. Seeds of rice and many other vegetables are first sown in a plot or in a nursery and then allowed to grow there into tiny plants called seedlings. Then healthy and well-developed seedlings are then transferred to the field where they permanently grow and are harvested from there. The third step after sowing of seed is to add manure and fertilizer. Any substance which is added to the soil to increase the capacity or yield of crops is known as manure or fertilizer. When crops are grown on soil, the productivity of soil decreases. Manure and fertilizers are added to increase the yield of the plants and also restore the productivity of the soil. Although manure and fertilizers have a same function, but they are different. Manures are usually natural and organic compounds. Organic means they are developed from living organisms, while as fertilizer is a man-made substance which are made from chemicals and inorganic substance. They are not derived from living organisms. Manure adds humus to the soil, while as fertilizer does not add humus to the soil. Manure adds humus to the soil. Humus is dead, decaying organic matter, while as fertilizers, they do not add humus to the soil. Manure is nutrient specific, although it contains many nutrients, but it does not give specific nutrient to the soil. While as fertilizers are nutrient specific, we can add specific nutrients to the soil according to our need. Manure is cheap, and while as fertilizer is very costly. Manure can easily be prepared in fields, while as fertilizers are prepared in factories and industries. Although manures are slow, but in the long run, manure is a better option than a fertilizer. So this is it for today. Hope you have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.